Hi guys, just wanted to make a quick video on your cabin air filter seal on a 2003 to 2011 Saab 9.3. This is the cabin air filter. To remove it, you just have to pull this weather stripping off of the firewall area here and pull up on this, right on this wet cowl. And when you pull it up, you're going to find this plastic piece holding in this cabin air filter right there. What happens is there's a seal behind here, which is this right here. And this is the part that holds in the filter. The seal goes bad, and then water and dirt and stuff go into your blower motor, and when it rains really hard, water goes into your passenger footwell. Okay, so you want to clean that area. You can see I sort of scraped off the old gasket. You can still see the residue. You just want it to be a flat surface. So that's what I did. I took an old credit card and cleaned that up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this area, get out all that dirt, clean around those grommets, and then I'm gonna put a new seal on that and prep it for install. So I'll show you guys when I'm gonna do that. So I went to Home Depot and I got this rubber foam self-stick weather seal. I got a 3/8 inch wide, cost me less than $5. So this is the old piece, or the cabin air filter mount with the old adhesive removed. I've cleaned this down to a smooth surface. So all I'm gonna do is gonna peel off this backing tape and kind of slowly wrap it around. I may decide to cut it, but I'm gonna see if I can get one continuous piece going. So I took the foam seal, I started here, and I did one continuous piece, and I slowly pressed down on this as I went around, very carefully, putting even pressure, making sure it sticks. And you don't need to let this dry or anything. It's ready. If anything, you can put it on right as is back on the car. So it's ready to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right guys, so this is back in. Put the mount back in. You can see those two black tabs. Make sure those are clicked in all the way, and that'll put pressure on that foam. You can sort of see the black foam in the back. So you can see it's doing its job. It's sealed. I don't feel any anything, any space or anything. And yeah, so I'm ready to put the filter back in and then put the weather stripping on top, and that's it. Okay, so the filter is back in and I've put the cowl back on. The only thing you want to make sure is there's these little tabs, and you want to make sure this sits flush against the windshield. That way water can't get in. Just press down on everything, get the weather strip started, and you can see that we are good to go. So just keep an eye on the car, on the seal. And go ahead and park it out in the rain and make sure that there's no water inside the cabin, because now that we fixed the seal, there shouldn't be any water getting in. So that's all. Thanks for watching.